Today I want to talk about a small JavaScript library called Minisearch that can be used to implement full text search on JavaScript documents. Now, if you don't know, full text search is a technique used in databases and search engines to search for documents containing a given set of words or phrases. But unlike simple search methods that look for exact matches of a query within specified fields, what full text search does is it analyzes the text content of documents to find relevant results. In this case, in case of Minisearch, it uses JavaScript documents or array of objects in order to build a search index and to find search keyword into it. Now, Minisearch can be installed using npm or yarn and can be used on in browser and in Node.js environments effortlessly. Now, you might be asking, where can it be used? So it can be used in scenarios where you want a subset of data to be searched. For instance, you have a blog where you have static articles or posts that you want a search function for. In this case, you can build a mini search index and use or create a index and use that to search through your articles. Now let's see how this work in real life. I'm going to use this application called run.js, which is a JavaScript playground that we can use to test JavaScript code as well as install npm packages as well. So I'm going to install Minisearch in this. So Minisearch, and I'm going to install it, the latest version. So now it's installed. Now I'm going to import it. Import Minisearch from Minisearch, and before we can initialize Minisearch, we need to define a document. So we have a document, an array of object with id, title, text and category fields. Now we can go ahead and create or initialize the Minisearch. So let's say const index new Minisearch, and we need to define a few things. So first is fields. So fields are all the fields that we want Minisearch to be searched when it tries to match the search criteria. So in this case, we want the title field, title, as well as the text field. Okay, so what happens is when we try to search any keywords, it will try to find it in the title and text field and return the result based on that. The other thing that we need to define is store fields. So store fields is nothing but all the fields that we want Minisearch to return when it find all the relevant results. So let's say we want the title field to be returned when it find all the relevant results. Now the next thing that we need to do is to add the document in this index. So index, so we have a method called add all, and then we can give the index to it. So documents. Now we have our index ready. Now we can start searching into it. So we can search using index dot search, and we can search anything. So let's say art. So it has returned the two results in the same format as the document, but of course we have a couple of more fields. We have the id field, score. So what is score? Score is nothing but a numerical value which basically represents the relevance of this document to the search term. The higher the score, the more relevant it is to the search term. In this case, this document is more relevant to the searched query that we have given to Minisearch. We have terms. So terms that all the terms that we have given over here, let's say we change it to Zen, art, Zen. So in this case, we have art and Zen, two terms. We have match. So in this, we have list of all the terms, and it is the fields that it is matched against. In this case, art is matched against title and text, and Zen is matched against title. And finally we have the title field that we have defined in the store fields. Now we can define on the fly, we can change the fields on the fly as well. So we can do it using the fields field, and we can limit, let's say we want to only search into the text field. So in this case we can say text. Okay, so now it is only finding the search query in the text field only. Okay, and that's how it works. The other thing that we can do is using fuzzy. So what fuzzy does is it will try to find results even if we have some typo in the field or search term. Okay, so let's say we have typo in art. So let's say if we say RAT, so in this case as well, it will try to find results even if we have some sort of typo in this search term. In this case as well we have one result, but let's say if we remove this fuzzy, it will not return any result. As you can see, we have empty results in this case. We have one more thing, and we have one more method called auto suggest. Okay, what auto suggest does is it will return us some suggestions based on the incomplete query. So let's say we have AR in this case. Okay, so it returns us all the suggestions based on the AR keyword. So we have art and archery art, and that's how it will return us all the suggestions. And I'm just scratching the surface for Minisearch, but you can discover all the whole lot of things that Minisearch can do, but I'm not going a lot deeper into this. It's you who need to go through it and maybe find your use case. I hope you like this video, and if you do, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.